Different languages have their own versions of the phrase, many of which focus on health rather than blessings. In Spanish, people say salud, which means health, and in German, it's Gesundheit, which also translates to health. These versions skip the religious aspect entirely and simply wish the person well. In some Asian cultures, sneezing isn't acknowledged at all. There's no customary response, which might seem odd to those of us used to saying bless you. The English phrase, however, stuck, likely because of the strong Christian influence in medieval Europe, where blessings were a common part of daily life.